was the biggest egg Toby had ever seen.
Ooh. But before he could call for help, the barn door slid shut. Rumble, rumble, click!
Toby decided to take the egg for a ride, but balancing was much harder than it looked.
Bowk, bowk! Toby, be careful!
Nearby, Puddles the pig was enjoying a very messy nap in her favorite mud hole. Suddenly, the egg started to roll. Faster and faster it went.
Oh no!
The egg hit a rock and sent Toby flying high into the blue sky. He was soaring like a bird. But remember, what goes up must come down. Down, down he tumbled, right toward Puddles the pig.
Splash! Toby landed right in the middle of the mud.
Poor Toby. Now he was a very muddy, very sad little baby.
Oink, oink. Don't cry, Toby. Wait! Look at the egg! Something was happening inside.
Toby forgot all about being muddy. He was too curious to see what would come out. It was a giant chick. And it thought Toby was its best friend.
Tickles.
The giant chick gave Toby a big, sloppy kiss. Toby had found a new friend, and the farm had never been so full of joy.
They all lived happily ever after on the muddy side. Toby leads his big new friend back to the barn, with Puddles and Clucky.
Oh no! The giant chick is just a little bit too big for the door. Uh-oh. Puddles and Clucky give it a big, muddy push from behind. Heave. Heave.
Pop! They all go tumbling down into a big, fluffy heap.
Whee! Look!
The perfect place for a nap.
Toby finds a warm, fuzzy spot to rest his head.
Everyone joins in for the biggest barn cuddle ever.
Good night, Toby. Good night, farm. Sweet dreams, everyone.